What we offer in the Family Birth Center is our one-on-one care and having that true private experience where you're going to get the extra education and the extra time and attention from your nurse without having to travel down the hill to a larger facility. We're really excited with our new rooms and having the labor and delivery recovery model. You will be admitted into the same room that you will labor in, you'll deliver in, and you'll recover in that. All of our essential equipment to manage the baby's care is here and ready, along with all of the creature comforts during labor. The new rooms are much larger, have big picture windows, a refrigerator for their personal food, essential oils, a comfortable couch that becomes a recliner or a sleeping couch, along with USB ports and little extras. Definitely make it more comfortable while you're here for your extended stay. By bringing this together, it does make it easier, not only for the providers and the nurses, but it makes it easier for the patients because it's that continuum of care and that they aren't having to change who's taking care of them. They don't have to learn another person. They don't have to physically get up and move from one room to another. So these changes really just bring things together. I want our patient and their family to feel very welcomed and nurtured. I want them to have the most personal experience they possibly can, and that it doesn't feel that they are in a hospital setting, that they are in an extension of their home, and that it is personalized to them and their needs, and that we're going to listen to what they want and wish for their care.